This documentary is all about being profitable while trading fundamentals. It's also a guide on step by step on how to be a successful fundamental trader. Trust the process and watch how everything plays out. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I still remain OLUWA-POUNDS-FX. If you are new to this YouTube channel, kindly hit the subscription button and you know the rest to do. The first step for you to take, or the first thing you need for you to be a profitable fundamental forex trader, you need your Forex Factory. Forex Factory, this particular one, is used to analyze the market economic data. That is the use of a Forex Factory, to analyze the economic data of the market. Secondly, you need Forex trading view. This is what we call trading view. You can see the logo there. It is trading view. And you need your YouTube account. You need your YouTube account, whereby you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and track my progress and combine it with yours. Any news I take, you also take that particular news. If you trade any fundamental trade and you make loss, you can come back to my YouTube channel to check if I also make that loss trading that particular fundamental analysis. So the next thing you need is a broker. The broker I will recommend to you guys is FBS. The link to join to that broker is in my description button below. If you go to my description, you see the link to join my preferred broker, which is FBX. Now, the first thing you need to do is to log in to your Forex Factory, www.forexfactory.com. That's what I'm going to type in your browser, be it you're using PC, laptop, or iPad, or iPhone, or Android. You type in www.forexfactory.com. You will see this particular template on your screen. Now, first thing you need to understand is that looking out at this particular place, you can see the date. You can see the time in which the news will be released. You can see the currency which the news will be affected, and you can also see the impact. Now, this is a medium impact news. What I mean by medium impact, it moves the market, but in a very lower equity, in a very lower way. Now, this yellow one is a low impact expected. You can see it there. A low impact the sign. So any news you see, any particular news history you see with this particular impact is a low impact. It does not move the market at all. This is a medium, while this is the high impact. This is the high impact. This particular reduction moves the market. In this particular aspect, this particular impact moves the market. This is when you will see your spike to the upside or your spikes to the downside in this particular aspect. You can also see this. This is also an high impact news. So now what we are taking is that we have three impact news. We have the medium impact, the lower impact, and the high impact. The lower impact is the smallest, medium is the middle, and while high impact is the highest. You understand? Yeah. So now, first thing you need to do at your Forex Factory is to refresh, is to set your Forex Factory. You set your Forex Factory. Now let me teach you guys how to do that. First of all, you don't need you don't need the low impact or the medium impact. You don't need them because we are not trading there. So all you need to do is to go to this filter. Yeah, you can see it by my right hand side. Go to this filter and you unbox this. And you box these two, leaving only the high impact news only. Then you click on filter, apply filter. Now as you can see, this you can see here is the high impact news for this week. Now if you want to change the weeks, or you want to put it in a 1 month, 2 months, any month you want to put it, you go to this particular place, you click on this area. You can see this week, next week, this month, or next month. You can click on this month and click on apply. This is what you see. These are all the high impact news, both the one that has been released and the one that is yet to be released for the month of November. This is all of them. Now after setting your Forex Factory, the next thing you need to do is mark out the currency pair you'll be trading. Actually, we are not trading all currency pair. Okay, we are not trading all currency pair. We are not trading this particular one, and we are not trading JPY. Then you click on apply filter, and this is now listen. We are not trading all the fundamental news. I'm going to give you guys the fundamental news you need to be trading only. Apart from that fundamental news, do not trade any other news. Go to your trading view. I will show you guys the fundamental news you need to be trading. Okay, waiting for this particular news and this particular flash to open. The first news you need to have in the back of your mind is NFP. You'll be trading NFP, you'll be trading PPI, you'll be trading CPI. CPI comes in different types of currency pair. You have CPI in GBP, you have CPI in AUD, we have CPI in USD, and we have CPI in CHF, and we also have CPI in CAD. In all these currency pairs, you'll be trading CPI also in them. So we have NFP, PPI, and CPI in all the currency pair. Mark it in mind that every month all currency pairs release out their CPI data. So trading fundamentals also helps in market opportunities. It also helps in exposing you to the market, seeing so many setup and trading frequently. Remember, fundamental moves the market rather than technical analysis. Now, after marking out your NFP, your PPI, you write it down in your notebook. Your CPI, you also be looking at GDP, gross domestic product. GDP is the news that, yes, I think this particular news moves the market. GDP moves the market in a. Okay guys, this is the only 4 news we'll be trading: NFP, PPI, CPI, and GDP. So for this week, we'll be looking at CPI, which is 1:30 in the night, trading AUD. To be released in CPI of AUD 1:30 this night. And on Friday, we'll be expecting to trade GDP on card. We're expecting to trade GDP on card on Friday. This is the only 2 news we'll be trading this week. In my next video, I will teach you guys how to set your trading view, how to set your trading view, everything you need to know about trading view, and so on and so forth. My next video might be tomorrow, or it might not be tomorrow, based on a tight schedule. After that, I will also be teaching you guys how to set your FBX, which is a preferable broker to trade with. After that, you will also be seeing a video of how to analyze the fundamental market. After that again, you'll also be seeing a video or a live trade. You can challenge yourself, fund the $100 account and say, I will be risking $10 in a particular news. That will be my next video. I will be teaching you guys how to risk, how to set in your forex calculator, and everything you need to know about risking. See you guys next time. Like and subscribe.